Hello, it's T. Hoffman, and it's time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about communicating with your clients. Why? Well, I had a coaching client today that indicated that her weakness was communicating and responsiveness, especially when it came to clients that she had long drawn out matters with. Now, I will tell you from personal experience, if you've ever gotten a call, even one time, from a client or from somebody who is counsel on the other side asking you, hey, where do we stand on this matter, or what is the status of my matter, then that's probably one call too many. What we have to do as lawyers, because we all know that lack of communication and failure to be responsive is the number one reason lawyers get fired. We all need to remember that we set an expectation at the beginning of our engagement as to how often we're going to communicate with people, especially co-counsel, outside counsel, and clients. How do we do that? Well, we need to ask them up front, hey, how do you want me to communicate with you? Do you want me to communicate with you through email, through text message, or do you want me to actually pick up the phone and call you? Do you want copies of all of the documents? Do you want a summary report on a monthly basis, a weekly basis? Do you want a status report every quarter for a long drawn out matter? Exactly what is it that you want from me? Set that expectation up front. If you know that you're not around all the time because you're in court or sometimes you're in depositions, make sure that you change your voicemail and your email to reflect that you're out of the office, and always give a backup contact, because clients want to be able to reach somebody if they cannot reach you. That's very important. Also remember that there's so much technology out there today that many times and many firms have technology that will enable clients to go onto their online portal and see documentation and see the status of their report and of their case, and that actually saves you some time and energy, and train your clients to do that if you have that capability. Now, it's said that lawyers are most hated because we are not responsive. Well, I don't want you to be one of those lawyers. I want you to be not only responsive, but I want you to exceed the expectations of your client. But to exceed those expectations, you have to set those ground rules in advance. So remember, ask them, hey, this is the way I normally communicate. Is this acceptable to you? Put that in writing. How do they want you to communicate? By text, by phone, by email, through the portal? How do they want you to communicate? Make sure that you document that and that everybody on the team working on their case understands that. So go out and have a great week. Check out our online training at lawstrategycoach.com. Again, lawstrategycoach.com, and make it a great rest of the week.